Hello, we are in the city. Yes, I know, I'm vlogging. I have a weird obsession with this. And we're moving too, so. This was our little clubhouse. And, like, not really house. It was fun when we had it. But, yes, we're moving. Which means more videos and more gaming videos. I haven't uploaded one yet. But I just wanted to show you the Wilderness Club. Well, it was Parker Club because I can't Parker. But it's up there, sort of thing. But yeah. That's it. Faucet.